Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Super quick update today on Polygon. So before we begin, please do like and subscribe as always, it really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we'll just take a quick look at the chart. As I said before, we've kind of got this correction patterning happen for quite a lot of cryptos. This ABC in this local area for Polygon, as you can see on the Bitcoin chart. We've got this high correlation to Bitcoin that altcoins always do when we're in the bear market or in bearish times. In the market, Bitcoin always leading the way. You can see here Polygon really just was in a very decent uptrend, to be honest, isn't it? You can see it's making higher highs and higher lows on this macro ever since we came down with this massive overextension to the low. But obviously in the local region here, we've got these lower lows and lower highs, obviously losing this key level of support at the 050. So coming back into that age-old range that we were talking about before. And right now, over the past week or so, after losing that low, coiling up here, really not sure what's going to happen next. I think most likely what will happen is we'll have a burst back to that previous support as resistance here at the 050, in and around that 97-cent level, up to around that dollar level. I think is a very key resistance. We'll come back up, retest this, and probably get rejected depending on what Bitcoin does. Obviously, if Bitcoin has a really nice rip, we could see ourselves deviate back up and continue to the upside very easily. But I have got long positions and short positions ready. I do think taking a short here or a long here would be a fairly good bet considering what we've seen in the past. You can see any time that we've really hit these Fibonacci levels, pretty much every single time, we have had a very decent rejection. And probably 8 out of 10 times you would have been right if you'd just basically played these Fibonacci levels as good places to trade the market. So that's what I'll be doing. But as we can see, Polygon right now indecisive and waiting for the wider market to move. So that is really it for today, guys. Just a super quick update on what I'm doing and what I'm waiting for. As always, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.